everyone. I'm Kirti Kamath from Team Resnue. In the world of competency, it is very necessary for people to move into different cities in order to pursue higher education or to step into their corporate world. Our team has come up with a product named ReachMe, which is basically an app that would allow you to explore, connect and adapt. Who are our customers and what is this product for? Basically, we consider engineering students as our target audience. We have found that adapting to a new environment and coping up with a new environment has been a serious issue. Why is it a serious issue? If you find it difficult to adjust to a new environment for a longer time, you might end up having low self-esteem and also lack focus in your academics, which will surely have a negative impact on your mental health. Are these consequences or assumptions? No, they are not. Considering the validation from counselors and taking survey with the students have proved this is a serious issue. Why is it so difficult to adjust to a new environment? Maybe because of homesickness, introvertness, food, climate, language or cultural differences. How are people coping up with this problem at present situation? There are some students who are consulting counselors at the worst cases, but there are few who are also keeping quiet. So it is clear that students can interact with each other very well. Maybe connecting seniors to juniors will help this. So how do we connect them? Maybe creating a platform that would allow you to seek suggestions and help from seniors by maintaining the privacy and avoiding the ambiguity. So this is the outer look of the product. You just have to search by your city name and you will find the people. And this is how it would look like in your profile. How is it different from any other applications? And what are its key features? First thing is a privacy. The data shared through these applications or the conversation you will have within these applications will be encrypted. Easy access. There are simple steps to approach to people. Unambiguity. There is no confusion whom to approach and how to approach. Hence, this will have an organized conversations. Talking about the target market. We had conducted a survey in our very own college for about 130 students. So, the statistics prove that 84% of people find this application to be very helpful. 77% of students find very difficult to adapt to new environment. And also, 3% of students have information regarding any other platforms working on the same concept. Timing. As people say, right thing happened at the right time. Why is it a right time to launch this app? Very few organizations are working on the similar concept and people have very less information regarding such applications. So hence, there will be comparatively less competition. So, the second reason being, there is constant increase in number of people facing such problems. Talking about business or revenue model, we are going to earn revenue through subscriptions, advertisement and selling data to the company. When we sell data to the company, we seek prior permission from the user. Key partners. Ardian, Sahyadri, and we also expect DSI to help us with this. Marketing approach. How are we going to approach our customers? Since this is an app, we can approach them through Google Play Stores, institutional website and counseling website. Traction. We have thought of implementing this first in our college and then expanding our reach. So we hope to grow by 10% each year. Future roadmap. First step is to convince the in-house startups to offer some suggestions and help. The second step is to extend survey on people who are facing such problems. Third one is to add some additional features to the app in the future. And fourth one is to reach out to maximum number of institutions. This is my team. Our team consists of 6 people. Kirti Kamath, Ullas Hegde, Mohammad Harun, Soumya Hegde, John Ketan and Aditya Patani. And this is our contact details and thank you for your time.